Well, seeing how the front was 225/60, the back tire was 235/60. Now with the same size tire all the way around, it's sitting level. Only thing that's necessary is a front end adjustment to bring the wheel standing straight in the front. I think that's it. As y'all hear it running, yeah, that part right there. I don't even need front coils now. That part. On the warm up. Say, man, Dogwood, we gonna call you the switch man.
The switch man?
Yeah, hit the switch, Stan. Hit the switch, Stan. Yeah, that part. Presidential salute. Yeah, lock him down. Hit him all down. Follow him down. Just bam. Okay.
That's what's up.
That's what's up.
That's what's up.
So we have fluid leaking. I'm still gonna get that thing because I see a little something right here. So I think we still to get the O-ring, the O-ring, all the seals over again. But as far as motor wise, we good. We just gonna stop these drips because eventually it'll go back to the same way it was. We'll have a puddle of fluid all over the place. But I think that's the deal here.
Absolutely.
And we figured out another scenario